Sometimes a job calls for more than a rake and a shovel. Having the right tools means having the right professional.
Whether you're putting in a pool, building a new home, or just keeping up with needed projects, such as renewing your septic system, Perkinson's Backhoe service is your qualified professional to call. After all, keeping your home carefully maintained preserves its value and your investment.
Footers and trenches to leveling and removal, we push dirt around for you.
Perkinson's Backhoe is a family-run, family-friendly business serving
Warren County, North Carolina, and surrounding counties. Small contracting jobs or major excavating will do the job right and on time.
Give them a call for a friendly, free estimate. You'll be glad you made the call. Perkinson's Backhoe Service.
252-456-3260. That's area code 252-456-3260.